Good morning, everyone. It is Friday, October 26th, 2018, and what a gap down. We're about to see some really gross movement. We've got about 5 minutes left here. If we just look at, I guess, a 5-minute chart, we didn't put after hours, so let's go to our SPY and Q setup. We had a huge push in the afternoon, a little bit of a pullback, and then nothing but drop in after hours and pre-market. So there's some news behind it. I don't care to get into it. All I want to know is, okay, what's going to happen this morning? There is something I did alert in the good old Discord, goodoldwingtrades.com. I picked up a put option yesterday at 12:10 p.m., which was like right about here. I picked up a 4-day put option, so that would be for next Monday. And I think we're going to be profitable on it. Just a hunch with a $4.50 move here. Yeah, it's going to be pretty awesome. So, we'll see how that opens up. Yeah, it should be good. Should be a good morning. So let me hop in the options discussion channel at wingtrades.com. If you'd like to come hang out with me while I trade, please do so. Just come on over to wingtrades.com, link your Discord account, and then come on in. It's a good time, I promise. Alright. Head over to the options floor. Alrighty, what a crazy morning. Yeah, it's gonna be a real gross morning. I like it. Gross mornings are the best. I'm inherently a bear, and markets like these are awesome. That's why I've got this music going this morning. Alright. So the real question is, there's that put right there. Do I hold the put? Because it's going to be so far in the money. I don't even have, let's see here, let's put the 20. 265.5. It's going to be way up here. So when this moves here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's going to be 6 spots in the money. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That could be worth about $600, which is freaking awesome. So I might just take that profit and then have a clean sweep. Good morning, Jeff.
Good morning, kid. How's it going?
Dude, that put option. Oh my god.
I love the enthusiasm today. How exciting!
Oh man, I took my flight. I called Delta this morning. I'm like, yo, push me back. I got to trade this morning. They're like, okay.
Trade this thing.
So I've got a 12 o'clock flight Mountain Time instead of 7 a.m. flight Mountain Time. So we're gonna trade this. Mostly just because I just want to take profits on that put option that I bought yesterday.
Yeah, boy, oh boy, that
was gross.
You're looking at SPY right now. Look at our double top in the 3 o'clock hour.
Let's move over to that 3 o'clock hour. Oh yeah, that double top there, and then just pull back.
Chris and I were talking about that, and I alerted the room. I said, SPY looks bad here. SPY looks bad. Didn't take the put. I mean, that would have been a great just intraday. You could have got your point and got the hell out of there.
Yeah.
But yeah, that setup at that 271.80. Whoo, baby. I mean, if that isn't textbook.
Yeah, it was awesome. Well, I was almost concerned going into that last little bit of the morning or of the afternoon yesterday because I bought puts and they were not looking too good. But at the same time, they're actually up about 20% from what I bought them at $2.
Nice.
Even though the price was higher because volatility kicked in the last few minutes and I grabbed some more Vega.
Grab some more Vega, and then does that hedge your theta a little bit if you do that?
Yeah. The theta, because I went 4 days out, I went to Monday, I didn't go to Friday. The theta doesn't matter.
Nice.
So, by a rough calculation, they're going to open up in 2 seconds at $600 to $700. Let's see what they actually open up as.
I'm going to look at the 29th, which is Monday.
29th, yeah. That's what I bought those at. So they are currently $380 or $330, which I'm fine with. Not as massive as I was hoping, but whoa! Did you see that spike?
It'll catch up.
Look at the spike on SPY.
I haven't shown a spike yet.
I'm going to sell these puts now.
266 dead almost.
Alright, I'm out of the puts. That was, there's a 1 minute spike on SPY that has absolutely destroyed my charts this morning. That was no fun at all. So we're just gonna quickly grab this guy here.
Oh, geez, yeah. Okay, now I see it. Yeah, I've got 266.30 as our first key level.
That just destroyed my chart. Now I can't see anything.
Yes, yes, one
Bloody
fat
hell.
stupid candle.
Yeah, we're gonna go bullish this morning. It's pissed off. Simple as that.
You think SPY's mad?
Yeah. After yesterday's after hours and this morning's pre-market, it's gonna want to bring some of that back. And then when it fails, I'll buy puts. God, now how do I fix this chart to get rid of this stupid thing? Let's see here, can I do... Okay, I fixed it. But, damn, that's annoying. Alright, there we go. Yeah, now we're coming back down. Solid 50-something% profit. I love your door ajar made a trade noise.
That was actually me shutting down the broker because my...
Uh-oh, where'd your voice go? Your voice cut out halfway through there.
Okay, can you hear me?
Yep, I can hear you now. That was weird.
I just got a fire E-Trade. Yeah, I disconnected, had to reload. I'm getting E-Trade back up here.
Alrighty.
Chart froze, and if the chart freezes, well, I guess I'll just watch TradingView.
Yeah. Alright, so okay, we're getting a breakdown. It looks like we're going to take puts. 265s. 1, 2, 3 of those. I don't want to be late, but I can't see anything on these damn charts. I'm just going to cancel that order. That one candle just fucked up the charts.
Yeah, I think the gap down broke the internet.
Honestly.
Okay, now we're up and running. Good
Sweet.
deal. Now we're up and running. We didn't even reach that 266.30, and we're making new lows here. Boy. Really, this is all the bump we're going to get? I have a hard time swallowing that pill, bud.
Yeah.
I have a hard time with that. I think we can safely say we may move up, especially in Qs. My God.
But we're moving down slowly. 1 minute, anyways.
Yep. Okay. We'll wait.
All right. Qs are falling down, but they're at VWAP now. Let's see your pre-market. I want a move. God, I've got to adjust all the stupid charts for this morning. Dumb. If we get below 264.75, we'll get a nice move down that will test, what is that, Wednesday's low at 264.70. So if we break 264.70, I'm going to be taking a lot of put options. Until then, I'm just going to chill. Because I've already made money this morning and I don't want to give it up. So unless I get the one trade that I want, which is a breakdown of 264.70, I'm not really going to take anything.
XLU. Yeah, baby.
Yeah. I'm still long on XLU.
XLY crumbling down 3.5 points already. That was an amazing put from that 115 level.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Okay, so we need to redraw the line because the reboot got rid of my lines. Freaking E-Trade, you suck. Right.
Did it crash on you?
The charts froze, and then all the lines I had, all my horizontals got wiped out on the reboot.
Oh, damn.
So I'm still sticking with that 26630 as the one key level I have on. We're under it now, clearly.
Okay. Yeah.
We'll see how that behaves. I don't know where else to start. Square catching a little bid right now. Microsoft catching a bid. Qs are also catching a bid. So let's see how this 26630 acts on SPY.
Yeah. I put a nice little horizontal line at 264.70, Wednesday's bottom. If we get below that, I'll take the puts. Otherwise, I'm just going to sit here for a little bit this morning.
Yeah.
Because there's a good fight going on. And I enjoy myself a good fight. Actually, Qs are fine. Q's chart I don't have to fuck with, but SPY, because of that stupid wick.
So one thing I keep on my charts every day is the advancers versus the decliners.
Yeah.
And decliners are up 1,600, which is 1,600 tickers, and advancers are down 1,770. So we almost got a 2-to-1 going here.
Yeah.
And the VIX is holding over 25 for the current. So
I do like that.
30.
Wow, I'm glad I sold those puts. They're now down to 286. Glad I took that.
Here comes a test of the key level I have drawn in.
Yeah, Qs are rocking. SPY trying to get up to a pre-market resistance here. Alright. Qs, you guys are nuts.
Well, you did have a good ER with Amazon. The numbers were good.
Except for the fact that, let me guess, Amazon ate it with the rest of the market?
Yes, sir. Down 135 points pre-market.
Oh, that hurts. That hurts a lot, especially on good earnings.
I think that was 8% drop.
Jeez.
Yeah, not good.
Alright, SPY's turning over here. Let's see if we can get a move back to VWAP. Maybe. Oh, my music ran away. Where'd you go? Oh, I got to the end of my playlist. Okay.
I did take a position in USO 2 days ago for a play off a 200-day EMA bounce.
How's that working?
It's only down. Let's see. The options are cheap, and it's a monthly. The option is down 7 cents, so not too bad. If the underlying gets under 14 or under the 200-day, I will close the call.
Okay. I mean, oil. If you've got monthlies, you've got time. So.
Yeah, but I'm still not gonna get 2 weeks in and have the thing just
sitting at zero. Yeah,
exactly. I figured if we can catch the 200-day bounce, that monthly may give it some time. I've got a call at $15. I think it's November. Let's see, November 6th, November 23rd. Call for 15. So we'll see how that plays. We just need to straighten out this Saudi nonsense, and I think,
yeah.
I
mean, I could go for a market crash right now. I really could. I've been waiting for years. So is everybody else, and I've got puts. I'm ready.
And the 26630 is rejecting. We've just violated VWAP on the way down. That was a nice level right there.
So I picked up those puts yesterday at 209. That is awesome.
And closed them at what?
And closed them this morning for a healthy 324.
Sweet, bro. Very nice. Very nice. Just sitting on my hands, literally. It's a little chilly here in the Northeast. Watching the cues, trying to hold up, trying to make a move on cues where we could test the 167 here. I got my eyes on Microsoft over the whole dollar at 107. I'm just waiting.
Yeah.
Gotta wait. Give it another 10, 15 minutes before we start digging into some charts.
Yeah, SPY's being choppy.
Yeah.
And I'm only going to play that one trade because I know exactly what the trade is and I know exactly how to play it. And I want all of my buying power to be available for it.
Good plan. Go in with a plan.
Because I'm up, how much? Positions, up $77 today, plus whatever that 50 was that I made yesterday on the SPY put. So I'm already in profit today, although not a lot. It is profit. But we just got to see how SPY moves this morning. And in the meantime, listen to good music. Where are the bears when you need them?
Right. SPY hasn't reached this level of oversold since early 2016 when we tried to sell. But we are just about a double bottom on the oversold level.
And almost a double bottom on the daily chart. Almost.
Our longer term chart has not even come close to violating neutral on the oscillator. So, it's trying to poke down zero. It's 0.13 if anybody gives a crap on the exact number. But we are quickly declining this morning. Boy, this is amazing.
Yeah, if and when we do get that 264.7 breakdown, I'm going to grab the 264 puts. Just to keep a little bit out of the money. That way when they continue to crash down, I get that out of the money goes out the money into the money.
Again, SPY sideways out of the gates today on this gap down.
Yeah.
It's stuck between VWAP and 266.30.
But it's also holding under yesterday's low of day. One of my indicators on the chart is at 266.23, and that correlates with yesterday's low of day. So the fact that it couldn't get into yesterday's range is bad for SPY.
Yeah, it's that yesterday's low is exactly where I have price resistance for this morning.
Yeah. And so I guess one of the big questions that I have at this point now is when we get below that 264.70, where's our next low? And it looks like
260.90 is what I got.
Zoom in here. I see a 267.81. Nope, that's too high. We're already below that.
Yeah.
If I go back to May, I've got 259.05. Ooh.
Yeah, I'm a point higher. There's a little left shoulder in there. There's some buying going on at that 266.90, which plays nicely with our little 10-cent discussion we've had.
Yeah.
So here comes the test of 266.30 again. It's looking bullish. We're about to get a buy signal. Money rotation's good. We'll see what shakes loose at this level.
Yeah. The 259.05 is that profit target when we do get that breakdown, if we get that breakdown. Rejected getting into yesterday's range again. Let me check Qs. Qs are still popping. So DIA is going to be our leader this morning. Yeah, DIA is flat.
Hey, DIA.
Good job, DIA. But I want to keep an eye on Qs because Qs are going to be a little bit of a pain in the ass. But Qs are right at yesterday's low of day. Same deal as SPY. They had some more room that they had to fill.
Here it comes. We're going to go.
Yep, we're pushing. Damn, I wanted that breakdown.
We'll get it. Patience here.
I know.
It's hard. I know.
It's tough. I want that breakdown.
I know.
I mean, we're already down 3.5 points? 3.5 points on both SPY and Q today. I could go for like 17 points. Actually, that'd be really bad. I don't think I'd want 17 points. Alright, what are you guys doing, SPY?
I'm going to drop in another level since we violated that already. Let's see here.
Oh boy.
So we got...
Yeah, Qs are pushing.
Okay. Well, sadly, the next key level I have is 267.90 to 268.
Okay.
That's the best
Except that we're failing.
that's I can find on a short-term chart.
Yeah.
And we do have a bit of a bearish wedge forming on the 2-minute right here with SPY. And if we reject, look at this 10-cent rule we just got, Aaron.
Yep.
So now we hit 20 cents above that the yesterday's low level. We're going to test VWAP again.
Yep.
But yeah, that's the old SPY fake out right there.
I fell for it yesterday. That pissed me off. Fell for it hard. It was not very funny. But I'm going to get my payback today by being patient and waiting for the only trade that I want to take. Now if Qs could fall over, then DIA would really fall over. DIA is in a nice wedge. And if that would fall over...
I got a beautiful wedge on SPY too. Oh my god. This is spot on.
Yeah. Now it just needs to break down from that wedge.
Yeah, we gotta get under VWAP. VWAP is like the bottom trend line of that wedge. And yes, look at the wedge on DIA. Holy
exactly.
Smoke, that is, I mean, technically sound. We gotta close below VWAP on both of these, and then we can.
We can start taking those puts. Yeah.
Take one, yeah. But right now, buy signals in, money rotation's good. 20 is moving down to catch up to price. So wait.
Yeah, with the pre-market data, all of the indicators are pointing slightly bullish.
Slightly bullish, yep. Yeah. And you know, we hit a hugely oversold condition yesterday, end of day. So.
And SPY's pushing, so that's not going to happen.
There's the push. Yep.
What a shame. That's alright.
That's okay. Yeah, I think the best thing for SPY and the put opportunities would be a big fat green.
Yeah.
Let's get it up. Let's get it up towards 268. Let's go.
The one question I do have, when we go into trade, go look at SPY, waiting for data. If I were to have played the 267.5 copy, if I would have played today's expiration instead of Monday's expiration on those puts, I would have bought them at, let's do the 5 minute. Where's 12.10? 13.12. I would have bought it at 116 and sold it for 3. So really, not that much of a difference, which is why you go a little bit further out to prevent that stupid time decay from kicking your ass.
Yep.
Alright, we are getting just bullish continuation up the hoo-ha.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm gonna grab 3 days. But I don't want to grab it at this high. But at this point, it's also really not that high.
Right. Right. Conflicting thought. The Qs Qs look good.
Yeah, Qs are pushing hard.
Yeah, Qs still look good. I thought the whole number was 168. It turned out to be 167.
Yep.
USO catching a little bid this morning. XLE. XLE. Yuck. Not good.
Secret XLE, where is it?
Yeah, no, it was a lot of play. You know?
Ouch. Down a quarter, point and a quarter, yeah, percent there. Not too bad, but still kind of gross. Didn't take it as hard as the rest of the market.
Yeah, I do not have a call on XLE. I have the call on USO, but XLE and oil will move with each other at times.
Pretty tandem.
Mm-hmm. And our wedge continues here on SPY. It's still forming. Our range is still tightening. I think the wedge is still in play.
Yeah, it's interesting.
Without a big pop, I don't expect this thing just to grind.
Not way down here, no. It needs to recover some of yesterday's after our drop. Even though technically it has recovered some of yesterday's drop. Let me zoom out here and not break the stupid wick. Yeah, it really hasn't recovered. Never mind. We're good. It's all good. And the 1 minute is coming back down, back below yesterday's low. Qs are still way too bullish. The question is this a reload or is this the start of one of my best trading days ever? That is a good question. We're going to be patient. You know how hard that is?
We just printed engulfing red on 2 minutes.
Yeah, I saw that.
We're still stuck to the low from yesterday. I mean, it's like glued to it.
Yeah, those 2 minute charts. Continuation here. I'm going to yawn.
I'd be cautious of the bulls at VWAP.
Mm-hmm.
That's all.
Yeah. And right here, the 20 SMA on the 1 minute with after hours data, it bounced right there. That's the 266.0809 area.
Mm-hmm. Oh, so your 20's underneath.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, with after hours, it's very important to get all that data.
I should probably run after hours when we have these big gaps, just to get, like you said, moving averages lined up properly.
Yeah, because all your data, if you don't have the after hours move on, what was that, a $5 move, it's gonna hurt.
Okay, so I just turned the after hours on, and yes, I do have the 20 under, and it just violated it.
Yep, here comes VWAP. First test of a bearish move is that VWAP. And here's VWAP.
Gone.
And here goes VWAP. Alright, let me preload those 264s. We're going to take 6 of them. Those are just going to sit there and mock me. Dane made an epic play on SPXS, that triple short SPY.
Yep.
That was one hell of a hold. Alright, so looking at Qs, we've got almost a 1320 bear cross, but Qs has to keep going bearish in order for that to happen, and Qs needs to get back to VWAP. And SPY needs to get under VWAP because it did just bounce there.
We are still bullish on SPY with extended hours. Volume's trying to pour in here.
Not a lot though. I like that. Low volume. There's no bulls.
There's a 20 EMA rejection. USO continuing, trying to catch his bid. Come on, baby. Don't be shy. Ooh, XLE up a little bit. And there's the test again.
Do I want to play 0-day puts on that move? No, I don't want to. Crap, I misspelled the word grabbing. Fun fact, I can't spell when I'm thinking. Alright, come on, SPY. Print me the most beautiful move in all of SPY history.
which for me will be the Head and Shoulders rejection 266.30.
Ew. Ew.
Because this is setting up. This could do it. If we can close above our 20 right here, we could get a Head and Shoulders.
Yeah. Now what's great is we're about to go into the 10 o'clock hour, and that normally pulls SPY down a little bit as Europe closes, so it may just help our cause.
And foreign markets were weak.
Yeah.
As far as I know, I'm not 100%, but
Let me
pretty
pull
sure.
up all of our futures market, investing.com. For anyone who doesn't have live futures data or just doesn't care to pay for it, investing.com/chart/futures-charts. Futures
Here we go.
plural. Ooh, here we go. Oh, that's the wrong way.
Come on, reject.
It just might do that. I'll be damned.
Isn't it fun?
Oh my god, I love it. Shoulder, head, shoulder.
Here comes your Head and Shoulders on your 2 minute.
Yep, I see the same thing on the one. It's just a little bit mushier.
We still have a problematic VWAP though.
Yeah.
But those bulls were waiting right there. Look at the wicks on your VWAP. They're waiting.
Oh, hello. Here we go.
And there it is. Come on.
We can call in this Head and Shoulders VWAP is our torso.
Correct. Yes.
Oh, here we go. Here we go. Come on.
Come on. Just gotta close below.
With 3 minutes left. Nope. Damn. That was almost amazing. We still have time, but...
Enough time. They're going to give you an opportunity to get back in this put, because I think this is going to play out.
Oh, boy. This is going to be one of those mornings where I won't eat breakfast until the afternoon.
Yep. Okay, we got 15 seconds on this 2 minute candle, and we have an ugly doji forming.
Yeah.
On volume also. This is a contended candle right here. Nasty doji. Oh. Hideous.
Oh.
Yeah, they can signal reverses too.
I know. And Qs are still way up there.
But the range of
DIA
2 minute candle is just huge.
DIA still pretty bearish, but flat and channeling, and nothing really worth anything on DIA. That's okay. Still waiting. If I don't take a trade this morning, that will be a win, because I will have already locked in 77 plus like 50. Oh boy. Oh, this is amazing. There we go. We're so close. God, so close. We might just get it. 6 contracts of the 264. I almost want to buy like 2 pallets worth of it, but they're not in a pallet increment. Give me 2 pallets of the 264. What? Alright, come on, SPY. Qs, they're almost there. Like 3 to 4 cents.
Qs is going to drag this down.
Qs has to break VWAP. That's the struggle, and Qs still has a, what was that, 60 cents? Yeah, 60 cents until... That's alright, I'm patient. I'm chill. I'm just waiting.
Here we go. There's your close below VWAP on the 2 minute.
Now we just have to actually move.
Yep, crack this neckline and she's done. Below 265.66, close below that, and this is a problem.
Very nice.
get that pre-market support out of there.
I will enter on the low of daybreak at 265 and then confirm it with maybe some extra contracts at 264.7. Qs are dying. Qs are coming back to view after. Here we go. Patience pays off. Oh, it is the 10 o'clock hour. What did I say about 10 o'clock? Drag SPY down. Love it. 10 o'clock to the minute. Alright, let's see some continuation here, SPY. That's what I like to see. Now just blow right through the low of day. Qs needs to get under VWAP.
Goodbye. Nice knowing you.
Here comes low of day. Here's low of day.
Look at this oversold condition we're getting into. Beautiful. Oh my God.
I want to make sure we can get under 265.0. Yep, alright, we're good. Filled 6 of those puts.
Wow. Wow. The Head and Shoulders execution was technically sound. Holy.
Here we go.
Wow. This is
God, if it weren't for that stupid wick on SPY, I'd be able to see everything.
My 2-minute doesn't have the wick.
So I purchased those puppies at 227 for a total of $1,300. Now it just can't bounce. Where are those bears? 264.7. That is the spot. Qs are under VWAP, and that's why I was comfortable taking that SPY put. Oh, hello. Goodbye. There's the breakdown. Now we just need to continue down. You don't get to bounce here, SPY. There's no reason. There we go. This is horrible. I love it. Oh, that daily chart right there. That is the reason. I'm going to quickly take a snapshot of this. Goodbye. No, don't bounce.
Yeah.
You bastard.
$50.
$50, but it's under that 264.7. There's no reason it should bounce here.
Covers.
Yeah, before a move down. There we go. Yeah, this is... Qs need to get to pre-market low. That'll be our next spot.
Wow, Adobe really in trouble this morning.
Really? That's
This is trouble. This is trouble here.
Here we go, SPY. Print the new low. By 1 cent, I'll take it. By 3 cents, I'll take it. By 30 cents. Wow. Q's got the bearish cross. Under VWAP. SPY got the bearish cross. Under Oh.
Okay, I think our direction has been set for the day, to say the least. Boy, Square gave you a really nice opportunity also. Look at that, perfection. I will take off extended hours. And, yep, perfect.
Hey, there's 263.70. So, price target at this point, right? Price target is all the way down at 259.05.
Wow, 250. There's 263. Holy shit.
Mm-hmm. Into the 263 range.
Aaron, are you kidding me right now?
Nope. It's real bad. Jesus. So the patience is paying off this morning. We didn't touch any of those stupid calls. We didn't fall for that. Oh, it's going to go up and reclaim that. No.
It's not.
No. We were smart. We waited. It hurt a little bit. We had to sit here for 35 minutes.
Yeah, it hurt. Too bad.
But that's okay.
260.90. That's my
260.90.
It's my kind of my medium term
support.
Yeah.
I'd probably take some profits there and then let some more ride.
We've got a ways to go. Thank you, Spy, for the dump. USO's coming with it. You sucker.
Yeah.
There's the whole dollar, and it's under 10 cents. There you go. 10-cent rules violated. 20 rules violated. 30-cent rule got violated. Oh my god.
I have to go play. There's a very important song that I play when I make a perfect trade.
Oh my god.
Very important song that I play. It's a really bad song, but it's an important song. So let me open up Discord and allow first connections. Spotify. I know streamer mode is enabled. It's okay. Streamer mode's off. You gotta check out the options floor.
What's this? Jordan Belfort.
That is a special song that I play only when I make the perfect trades. It's kind of it's a little bit of psychological reward, a little bit of dopamine inflow, but it also keeps me going, okay, you have the trade, don't fuck it up. Alright, let me check Q's. Alright, Q's coming down to that pre-market low. We're already below low of day. What did I buy those at? Bought those at 227, okay.
The volume increase on the sell-off was very impressive. We got some covering going on down here.
Yeah. I want to take half profits and be a smart person. I want to.
How many you got? 6?
I got 6.
Yeah. Hey, lock your profits and commission. Let some ride, man.
Yeah, I'm going to do that. Alright, locking in 3 of them. Alright. So I'm watching the 1 minute 13 EMA, that's that teal line, our short-term moving average. That is going to determine if we get above it, the move is over. If we hug it and then continue down, then we're good. But it's going to take some time. Let me check all the rest of futures here. Ooh, what are you doing here, Spy? Okay, yeah, you're good. Pulling up futures in the background. The JP225 is dropping, the DE20 is dropping, VIX is climbing, still above 22, US Tech Qs dropping, SPY dropping.
VIX is still above 25.
Futures just double bottomed. US 30 futures, Dow. Okay, so that's just Dow, not the big stuff, that's okay. Gold is up. Oil, crude is pretty neutral. Silver's neutral. Natural gas is dropping. I might go fill up my tank today because the price is going to be a little bit less.
Yeah.
Soybean and wheat both green today. Okay. Alright, SPY. Tapped the 13. This is where we decide, are you going back up? Or are you taking another move down? Looks like we're going to get another move down. Rejected that 13.
Again, another bearish wedge. Could be in formation here, the one that played out on our head and shoulders. I mean, we had two technical perfections out of the gates this morning. First 15 minutes, we had the bearish wedge form and confirm, and the head and shoulders also confirm to the downside, and the resulting dump was
glorious.
Pretty fun.
Freaking glorious. Alright. Yep, SPY's dumping. We're going to see another set. Cool. We're just going to sit here now with 3 contracts on the table. Enjoy the party. Positions. Alright, not bad. Oh no. Spotify is fantastic. I wanted to go long, but I wasn't going to go long Spotify in a bearish market because that's just a bad idea.
Spotify is grossly overvalued.
But the music is fantastic.
Right. I'm not saying service. I just think
valuation's ridiculous.
Valuation's ridiculous. Look at Pandora at $9.
At the same time, Pandora's trash.
Okay.
And no, pure number of users on Spotify over Pandora is ridiculous. And
correct.
And not just users who have an account, but users who continuously and what's the other word I'm looking for? Frequently use the service.
Yes.
That is the real metric.
The amount of megabytes they stream in a day.
Yep.
Sure.
And one of the things I've noticed is Spotify has API connections with everything. With Facebook, with Instagram, with Snapchat, for God's sake. Even though Snapchat's trash. But the API connections to share your music with your friends. So it's a little bit of MySpace. Spotify's going for the MySpace move just in 2018. But it's good. When Spotify makes a social page, that's when it's going to get really weird. Because you can already share your music, but you can't really share your page. Alright, SPY, what are you doing?
Yeah, SPY could get hung right here. We're still trying to form our wedge.
It's still under the 13 EMA. That is the only reason that I'm still comfortable holding these 3 puts. But if we get up to that 20, then I'm gonna go, maybe not.
And we have a positive divergence on a 2-minute.
Yep. A little bit of a move there.
Desperation, Aaron. It's desperation.
It really is. There's no reason you should buy this shit right now.
No, it's garbage.
Oh, here we go. Come on. Push south. Alright. Man, I'm so proud of myself this morning. For actually waiting 30 minutes for the play.
Yeah.
30 minutes is a long time in market minutes. It's like an eternity.
Especially on a 2-minute chart.
On a 1-minute chart.
Is it time yet?
Alright, SPY just pushed. I'm taking the rest off the table here. 244. Sold. Sold the rest. 13 EMA. Took the last set of profits on. We're going to give it a few minutes to see if this is just a really disgusting bull trap. Oh, we're up $549 today. I'll be damned. Oh, what a perfect time for this song. I'm having one of those really great mornings, and I don't want it to end. So I will rebuy those puts if we get a move below 263.37. If, and only if. How much did I make on that last play? 225. That's comfortable. I'll take it.
Hey, does the Firebird require any kind of octane boost?
Oh yeah, I throw, what is it, 92, 91 yeah. In it, yeah.
Yep. And it's okay to run unleaded in that, or you gotta do a lead additive?
Unleaded's fine.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Is it a modern motor?
No, it's OEM.
It's stock? Nice.
Yeah. Every inch of that car is stock.
Nice, dude. That's a sweet ride, Holmes. That is awesome.
Yeah, I love it. I would drive that to the airport today, but I'm just not willing to leave it at the airport, and I'm not willing to pay a friend of mine to drive it back home. Right. So I'll just chill on the train, because it doesn't matter how much money you have. If you feel that you are above people who take the bus or take the train, you need to give all your money away and reevaluate your life. Because
I think that. Go ahead.
It's a train. It is made for people to get from one place to another.
Exactly.
I don't care if you've got $1 million. Sure, take a helicopter every once in a while. Enjoy it. But also take the train. I love the light rail. Denver has an absolutely phenomenal light rail service. It used to be trash. RTD, the Regional Transportation District Denver, used to be trash. And in the last few years, they have done a hell of an overhaul. And it's fantastic. So, I'll take it. Alright, back onto the 13 EMA. Come on.
Still pulling the wedge. Still in a buy signal.
Yep. I'm going to preload 263s.
Jeez, VWAP just curled up. VWAP curled up as the 20 came under on without extended hours.
Yeah, that was a little bit of a glitch. I saw that too.
I think the internet's broken.
Well, the market's broken this morning, so the internet follows.
It's been broken since Russell 2000 IWM showed.
Yeah.
Was the first index ETF to show the sell signal, and yeah.
We may get another move down here. Come on.
I think a close under 264 is continuation.
263.37.
We still have a rising bottoms going right here, Aaron. Let's see. We got to draw a line in here somewhere, don't we?
On breakdown days, you just plot previous supports supports, and then you just sit here and wait for it to come to you.
Yep. 265.22 on the little double bottom 2-minute chart is where I drew where I have my line.
Yep. Low 263.37 is the only place that I will take more puts. Only.
You think we have a chance if we get above VWAP or something like that we could put in a rally?
No. Or if we do, I'm not going to touch it. No way in hell am I going to touch that.
Q's trying to test a whole dollar.
Alright, SPY. 264.70 is now acting as resistance. SPY's having a tough time getting above it. We've had 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes of attempts on it. If we get above 264.70, that is where everybody should sell their puts. This is not a recommendation to buy or sell. This is for educational purposes only. But yeah, 264.70 is the sell spot if you're still holding puts. And there's 264.70. $264.70. Why'd you have to break? Got a quick snapshot here. Alright, let's get that VWAP rejection. Let's do that. Just need that VWAP rejection. Alright, now back to the other playlist. I'm glad that we sold at low of day. That makes me, really happy. Oh yeah, SPY is gonna end. Yeah, there's VWAP. I'm gonna end it there. Yeah. Oh, I do have one question. The 267.5 puts that I bought yesterday, I sold them for 324 this morning. They're now only 365. Wow. That Vega is doing a number on SPY this morning. Alright, let's take a look at Q's really quick. We are... Okay, so Q's got above VWAP, but we're now back under VWAP. Yeah. Q's back under VWAP. SPY never really able to hold over VWAP, so we could continue a move down. And I'm going to wait until we get that move below 263.37 to even consider taking more puts. I don't like this movement. It's the only issue. I don't like that large of a move, but because we are back at VWAP and it rejected it, I'm willing to stick around and go for round 2. Let me take a look at futures really quick. SPY futures are right at the 1024 low, 2653. And tech is a little bit above that. We're barely holding on. So, just something to keep in mind. Ooh, what was that button? Price axis setting. I don't want to touch that right now. We're just gonna wait. If we get another move at VWAP, I will call that a day. Otherwise, we're going to get a move down. There's really only 2 options that SPY can do. Well, I guess 3, but 2 options. It goes up to VWAP, and we call that a day and take the nice profit. Or, it goes down and we continue to profit. And we're going to readjust this 5-minute chart. Unfortunately, we are going into 10:30 into 11 o'clock this morning, so volume is going to slow down a little bit. Alright, cool. We are going to get a move down. Alright, Qs, you need to touch 165 to get the breakdown. SPY needs to get to 263. Oh yeah. Patience. Patience is paying off. Looking at this 13 and this 20 SMA EMA combo here, we need to get that bearish cross. We need to get the continuation down to the 263.37, which is very doable. And then we'll see a move down to, let's hop over here real quick. There's really nothing here, but it's just such a large gap. 15-minute extremely bearish wedge going on here. Needs to get below here to really make that final push. Only time will tell. Almost there. Looking at this guy. Let's see here. We'll get zoom in a little bit cleaner here. I said zoom in. There we go. Okay, maybe not that zoom in. There we go. Here comes another wave. Maybe. Patiently waiting.
Jesus, I had my freaking mic.
Yeah, you've been muted.
I just played the short. I apologize for that. I was short at 264.87, had profit for 264.10 and closed it.
That's all good. That's pretty funny.
My bad.
I was like, I wonder what he's doing over there. All right, Spy's going for it.
And like some of your responses were like, "Oh, sweet."
Oh, that's funny. Yeah, I was talking about the chart. I couldn't actually hear you because you were muted. That's okay.
I'm talking to somebody.
Yeah.
Yeah, I took the short off the first low after the VWAP rejection.
Nice. Yeah, I like that spot right there. Spy's going for it. We're going to see another. Alright, here we go. Let's do it. Market order that shit. The only issue that I would have on SPY right now is if it double bottomed. That's the only issue. Alright. Hey, wait, no, never mind. I already called that yesterday. We're good. I was talking about that, the 20 SMA and that 200 SMA. But the 20 EMA and that 200 SMA, that's a lot of different numbers and letters together. They're almost touching. Alright, come on. SPY, you are so close.
I got 83 cents a move out of that.
Nice.
Yeah. That was nice.
SPY is so ready. That 15-minute perfect wedge and breakdown. Now we're just looking for that continuation. Don't double bottom here. I have to go to work sometime today. Don't double bottom.
Perfect little wedge play, price resistance, VWAP. 20 moved under VWAP on our 2-minute. Took the short at the first candle, make a new low. She's toast, man.
Yeah. It just has to actually do it. We got our bearish cross. That 1320 did actually cross there, but we're waiting for that confirmation under the 263.37. Moves like this are very tough because you gotta just be patient and sit there, and you can't walk away from it because it could reverse at any moment. It's funny, I had somebody DM me on Discord and asked if I wanted to monetize my stream, and I went, I appreciate the offer, however, there are probably 16 or 17 different record companies and labels and artists that I've used their music in this stream, And there is no way in hell that I'm allowed to monetize it. Because it's already monetized by the song producers. Because I would rather have nice music in the background and make a metric crap ton of money trading than make 10 cents a month on monetization. Because that won't even cover commissions.
Right.
But it is pretty funny that I get that DM from people. And I've had probably 3 or 4 of those now. They're like, hey, I'd love to help you monetize. I'm like, I appreciate it, but not physically possible. How's Q's doing? Q's. Ooh, almost a double bottom on Q's. We're almost there. Oh man, we're so close. I just want another one of those. When are the Bulls gonna just let up and let me have the market back?
Yeah. Hey, the rallies are what make the money, man. Look at the Head and Shoulders, and then look at the move following that. The rallies, you need them rallies.
Yeah. Let me zoom out here. Yeah. Shoulder, head, shoulder, fall off a cliff. Fall through the torso and then some.
Check your DM when you get a second.
Check my DM. I can do that. Yeah, I agree. Perfect short setup. And that 13 and 20 or whatever SMA EMAs you have there finally caught up for the morning.
Right. That's what I'd love to see. Those are my triggers. When the 20 crosses VWAP.
Yeah.
And the 20 crossed like 4 candles before we got our test, and we had price resistance. I mean, we just had so many variables lining up for that trade.
Yeah.
You know, your probability just skyrockets when you get VWAP price and your trend lines are very bearish.
Yep.
So that was sweet. That was a sweetie. No, I'll draw up the Head and Shoulders breakdown. I didn't take the Head and Shoulders breakdown because
it was iffy, but the continuation that came off of it was perfect.
Yep. That's just not my trade. What I did in the previous drawing, that's my setup that I really love to see.
Nice. And for anybody on the stream who's not in wingtrades.com, he just posted that chart in the options floor so you can see where that entry was. And it really was a textbook entry. That breakdown was perfect. So, and that was right here. That's the play he just did. So, fantastic.
And I'm going to snap a photo here of the Head and Shoulders breakdown.
SPY's about to break down. You might want to pause just a minute.
That's
SPY's about to take it. Oh, here we go. Come on, come on.
I'll wait.
Don't you dare bounce here. I'm going to zoom out my chart a little bit.
Trade recap.
Here we go. Market ordered 6 contracts. 38, 37, 36, we're in. We are filled for 6 contracts. Please don't bounce. I filled those puppies at 272, which is very high. Actually, that's not that high. That's okay. Alright, watching, let's go back over to our cues. We want to make sure that this doesn't bounce. Bloody hell, it bounced. Stop loss is going to be at 263.98, that 13 EMA on the 1 minute. Are bulls really going to do this? It's bearish. Who is buying this?
Yeah.
Are you kidding me?
They're buying the bottoms, man.
Bloody hell. I just got bear trapped.
Watch us break out above this flat line right here.
Man,
264.
That pissed me off.
264.03 is the level I see.
Yeah.
And it lines up very nicely with other candles.
Now I'd like this to bull trap. Do both sides. Trap both and then sweep the bulls.
Yep.
But I think it's going to sweep the bears.
I think if it's going to trap...
Man, that pissed me off.
264.30. But over 26403.
Yeah. Q's need to lead this. Nope. Damn it. Still under the 13.
Sorry.
Come on.
Wow, Adobe. Whoa.
Did it get flushed?
Look at that setup. Oh, Lord of mercy. Whew.
Alright, Q's, SPY. 20 seconds on this 1 minute candle. Bearish engulfing on the 1 minute. Come on. Give me some continuation. Scare the bulls. So damn close.
Sell signals coming in.
Mm.
Lower day is also right there.
I market ordered in because it was supposed to drop, but
Quickly.
it bear trapped. Patience on this play. Q's wedging down on the 1 minute and the 5 minute. Q's have to lead this. How's DIA? I haven't looked at that in 30 minutes. DIA might lead this as well.
245.5, yep.
Why? God, that sucked. Just flush. There's no reason for the bulls to enter down here. I mean, the only reason is that low of day, that green support line, the 263.37, but it did get below it, it just didn't close below it. Where is the flush? Qs are sitting right under 165, 164.95. Last 5 minutes, 4 or 5 minutes here. Come on. Here we go. Alright, we're good. Just needs to close below 263.37 here. And then tap below 263.24. What was my entry on those puts? 272. Okay, we are back to break even.
Nice. Nice.
Oh, that scared me a little bit.
It's just starting to execute.
Mm-hmm.
And money flow is really struggling. Well, it's at the neutral line.
Yeah. Q's printed the new low of day by 1.5, 2, 3 maybe cents. Not very much. SPY's double bottomed. No. No. Don't do this shit. Man, that was brutal.
Boeing is in big trouble this morning.
Yeah. A lot of things are. The market having the... What are we down? 6.5 points? Oh my god.
Real Boeing on like a quadruple top.
Oh jeez. Okay, here we go. 263.16 low. Needs to flush to 263.0. This is going to be a shorter play because I was very uncomfortable with that fake flush. Alright, here we go. Qs are dropping. There's 263.0. We need to go 10 cents below. There we go. There's 10 cents below. 12 cents. Let's see, 262.50 is our next resistance. Oh, bloody hell. That was nerve-wracking, to say the least.
Yes. Yeah,
Dear God.
those breakout trades are tough on your psyche.
Yeah. I was like, I'm gonna get bear trapped. Ow. It's gonna bull trap. Double ow for everybody. Alright.
Wow, how many whole numbers gave up today? Amazing. 4 or 5. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. How fun is this?
When you're not getting trapped, fun. When you're patiently
Yeah.
waiting and you know what trade you want and you take that trade, it's fantastic. It is running out of steam here. Oh, what a great song choice. Spotify decided to play I'm Weak by AJR, I think is his name. That is hilarious. I think he's talking about the spy this morning. Okay, here we go. New low, 2628. Where's 2625? 26279, we'll take it. I'm probably going to take profits at 2625 if we get there, if not sooner. I'm going to take 3 off the table here in just a moment. Yeah, like right here. I took 3 off the table, so now we're not too stupid.
Yeah,
I took those off the table at 291 from 272. Now I'm not as terrified. And now we want to see some continuation.
Yeah, put the trade on the house, baby.
Okay, the final sell point is right here. Damn. Market out. Out at 277. I'm out. Oh.
Good trade. How do you like the execution with Tasty Works in the market?
I like it because it makes me double check that I'm not being stupid. I always mark it in and out if we get moves like today. Let's see here. Where is... Wow, what a great day.
Makes it a little easier to write the contract too.
Yeah.
When it's moving fast. Boy, just beautiful bear wedges. 2 of them set up today.
Yeah.
The first one gave you the VWAP violation. The second one gave you the VWAP test. Both of those played out just to a T. You couldn't ask for a technically better morning in terms of looking at candles. Just spot on, man. Good call on the flight pushback.
Yeah, that. Almost got bear trapped, and I'm like, the moment I get profit, I'm going to take it. I'm not going to get greedy. Especially since we are just so far down in the morning. We're getting into the 11 o'clock hour. It's going to just get choppy. There's not going to be a lot of volume. You're not going to get your mega breakdowns. It could channel like this down all day, but I don't want to deal with that.
Yeah.
I trade the morning. I don't trade the afternoon.
My new rule is, I'll keep an eye on it during the day and stuff. But my new rule is let's not execute anything before 2:30.
Yeah, for that swing, yeah.
Yeah, because we're gonna get movement in that last hour to 45 minutes, and if you can catch those setups early enough, you can really get a nice move.
Yeah.
But again, caution: obey your risk, understand risk, obey your stops, all that stuff. Preserve your capital, guys.
Yeah. All right. We're going to end the stream there. Let's take a quick look at what actually happened this morning. So, we had our 209 to 2... Wow, okay, we're going to restart that. I'm a little bit jittery, a little bit going. I haven't had breakfast. Went from 209 to 324 on that swing trade. That locked in... If we do the math here, let me just pull up a calculator. I know you can't see it. 324 minus 209. That was 115 bucks on a swing trade. Easy, I'll take it. We then grabbed the 227, sold at 285 and 244. So, fantastic move. You notice that the first spot right here, this guy, the first half of our position that we took off the table, we said, okay, lock in half, let the rest run. It actually was higher than when we sold that second half. The 285 was higher than the 244 sell, and in total we locked in 225 on that. The next trade we did, same deal, This time we only locked in $72, but we didn't take the loss and get bear trapped, so I'm very proud of that move. And then if you look at that first half sell, the sold 3 contracts October 29, 2018 at 263 puts. That 291 there was higher than the 277 sell, which is kind of funny if you actually think about it, right? Both of our trades this morning, this guy and this guy, were higher when we took the safe profit instead of the greedy profit. But overall, $621 on $15 of commission. I'll take it. So I want to thank everybody for watching this morning on the stream. I know it was longer than normal, about an hour and a half here, but that money is worth it. I'd love to be paid. Let's do the math real quick. $621 divided by 1.5. That's $414 an hour. I don't know of any lawyers who make that much. And if they do, give me a call. But yeah, I like to do the hour chart, right? You can go to work, you can get paid, let's say, I'm not going to say like minimum wage 15, but let's say $20 an hour, right? You go do the day job, you get the bennies, you do that in the afternoon, but you trade in the morning, right? You determine how much money you are going to make or you are going to lose in a day, right? You've got good days and bad days, try to average those to be positive, but you determine how much money you're going to make. And then you go to the job, get the bennies, have a social life, you know, all the good stuff that comes with life. Because you don't want to just trade for a living, that's way too stressful. But I think we're going to end that there. What a hell of a day. I'm going to get on a plane, because that plane leaves in a few hours, and then I'll see you all Monday morning. So, I'd like to thank you, Jeff, for joining us. It was great trading. Always fun to trade with you. And if anybody else would like to come join us in Options Voice, we're in here. You can get the live stream and you can get the real time, because I know Twitch and YouTube have that delay. So we're going to end it here. Thank you all for watching, and we will see you bright and early Monday morning.